so wet when me and Connor was out the other day. Fucking stream running across the road. I've got my missus on the back of the bike today. First time she's been on this bike, and I've done about 5,000 miles on it myself. And she's never been on it once. She sat on the back, but she was pregnant, so this is her first time out on the bike. Tell you what though, it's hard work riding this with someone on the back. I can feel the back slow. And fuck it, man, I've put my weight forward on my arms. And she keeps pushing me forwards into the tank. She's like right on my back now after that. So yeah, took my missus out to Harwich and back, just on the way home now. And if you notice the stability's back on the camera, hopefully it's in a decent place now. I've been fucking struggling with it. GoPro's back on the helmet because the drift camera is just not reliable. It just keeps crashing. I'm forever looking in my mirror to freaking see if it's turned on, and when you're out all day you want to know your camera's still going to be turned on, not that it's randomly turned off. So yeah, I put the GoPro back on there, and I'm actually running it off a battery pack in my pocket so it doesn't turn off. The other day I was out for about 4 hours, 5 hours, it's hot, and it didn't crash. It just recorded the whole time. The GoPro takes a lot more space on the memory card. You can only do 7 hours or 128 gigabytes. But, you know, I'd rather take 2 memory cards out with me than have a camera that doesn't stay on. The drift sometimes crashes after 2 seconds, sometimes 5 minutes, sometimes an hour. But normally when I stop, that is turned off. It was just annoying, always checking in the mirror, make sure your camera's on. And if you're using that for a safety feature, as just like not to make a decent, nice, stable video, then that's not good enough. You always need to know that your camera's turned on, don't you? Nice little roundabout here, because you've got to go like right back on yourself. Whoop, all the way around. Nasty shape roundabout that. But yeah, like I said, Mrs.'s first time on the bike. She says she likes it. She's mistaken if I'm taking her out ever again though, because I can definitely tell there's someone on the back of this bike. My R6 I didn't really notice, but this is sitting, the back feels noticeably lower to me, like my seat feels pushed down a bit. The handling's not too bad, even with her on the back. She's not the heaviest thing in the world, but it's just not the same. But then I've just done 5,000 miles by myself, and now she's on the back, so dirt in the road there, fucking hell. These roads are great fun, but look at this, all wet, all muddy. She's headbutting the crap out of me on the back there. She says this bike's noticeably faster than the R6. Well, I'd hope it is. Yeah, like I was saying, the drift camera, whew, it was working absolutely fantastic for a little while. Yeah, the video quality wasn't up there with the GoPro, and because I've used the GoPro for so long, I used to look at my videos and think, oh, I don't like that, it's bumpy, it's horrible. But you know, the battery life is what I got it for. And then they done an update to improve stability, like actual functional recording stability, and that made it crash every time I was out. So I just can't trust it. Why am I going to use a camera that you can't trust? Whereas the GoPro, I used to hate it. She's lost her foot off the back there. Have you lost your foot, or are you just resting your foot on mine? She's lost her foot. That came off a foot peg. How funny. That started just pushing on my heel. My GoPro angle might still be a little bit low, but hopefully it's flat, because it's been tilted too far to the left every time I've been out with it. I've been using it for a few days, or the last few rides anyway, but I just can't commit on the camera angle to upload a video because that does my head in. But it doesn't look right. I see a lot of people upload videos and they're a bit all over the squiff with their cameras are pointing in all sorts of angles, and I think, don't you notice when you're making that video, when you're editing it, don't you see us pointing the wrong way? Anyway, that's it from me guys, I'll catch you later.